Bonjour, je m'appelle David. Welcome back to the channel. We are at Manchester Airport, Terminal 3, on our way to Paris. But we're flying into an airport called Beauvais. I have never heard of this place before, but the flight was cheap as chips, and it's only a small little coach ride into Paris. So, on this trip, we're going to be spending a night in Paris city centre and a night in Beauvais, or Beauvais, or Beauvais. I don't know. You know what I'm like, trying to pronounce all these names. So we're going to get through the terminal, and I'll see you on the other side. In the meantime, I met this guy. Check it out. Ryan is one of the biggest YouTubers in America and was buzzing to be flying on a plane that was called Ryan. Can you type your channel in there?
Oh yeah. Ryan, great man.
Thank you. Take it easy, have a lovely trip. Well, what a top bloke he was. Give me a bit of a shout out, got his camera, and then we parted our ways. If you're watching, Ryan, you're smashing it, and nothing but love.
Awesome, thanks. Nice to meet you.
You too. From Blackpool Tower to Eiffel Tower, we're here in Paris, and in the background we've got some Paralympics going on. I didn't even realise this was happening. We're about 2-minute walk away from the hotel, and this is what we've been met with. What an absolute beautiful view. So what we're going to do is now we're going to make our way to the hotel, check in, and then go and find some food and have a little float around Paris and see what's happening. So stick around. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of this future content. So that's us on our way to the hotel, and just there, just behind that fence, they're doing crossbow in the Paralympics. Mega. So this place is absolutely buzzing. So it'll be interesting having a little walk around this evening, looking for some good food and seeing what activities going on. I've never been to Paris in this capacity. I've come through the CDG airport before numerous times, but never had a little walk around Paris. So I'm extremely excited, to say the least. And what's happening, guys? We are here at the Grand Hotel Levique in Paris. I don't know if I've said that right, but forgive me. So let's take a look at the room. We're based in number 106. Unfortunately, we haven't got much of a view, but that's okay. The room's absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna take it in there now to have a little look. Here we go, guys. So as we come in, we've got our air conditioning unit here. Bosh, that's what we need. It's very, very muggy outside this evening, so that's gonna come in handy. And as we walk in, we're greeted with a nice little wardrobe. A little light comes up, that's handy. Got your hangers, got your safe there. Jobs are good one. But I do like this wallpaper. It feels substantial. Got a nice little stool here. We've got a kettle and a coffee maker. Now, if you've been watching these episodes, you'll see that I have no luck when it comes to hotel rooms. We never get a view and we never get a coffee maker and a kettle. We haven't got the view, but we've got the coffee maker and we've got the kettle, so that's good. And here's our supplies. They've given us some water and we've got the unbleached lemon green tea. You know we love the lemon green tea. Happy days. Got our cups there. And as we move into the room, as you can see, it's not the most spacious of rooms, but it looks substantial. And the bed, it's very, very comfortable. But yeah, as we move around, and I do like that, I must say, that is a really nice touch. You know, we come into a nice little cozy bathroom. As we move in, got the sink, got a nice towel rail there. It really does feel substantial. It really does, very clean as well. And we walk into the shower and I was thinking, okay, what's going on here? Where are we gonna put that? And then I seen this bad boy. We've got a raindrop shower. Bosh! Can't wait to have a go with that this evening. Absolutely mega. And let's take a look at the view. The view, like I said, we've not proffed this time with the view, but we are in a little forecourt, unfortunately. And that looks down into the main foyer. It's like a little bit of a restaurant area, a little sitting area where you can get some drinks. But if we was up there on the other side, we'd see the Eiffel Tower. So we're really, really close to the Eiffel Tower, and that's somewhere we're going to be going tomorrow morning. So we went from Blackpool Tower to Paris. The Eiffel Tower, absolutely buzzing. So yeah, jobs are good. That's the room, guys. Hey, I must say, this bed is absolutely comfortable. It really is, and I will enjoy having a nice little sleep in this tonight. I really will. And you know what? I love the lighting as well. We've got some really good lighting in here. It's just clean, smells fresh, and I'm absolutely made up with this room. So yeah, got a lovely room. We've just done our little room tour, as you've seen, and now we're just going to freshen up and we're going to make our way out onto the main street and see what food we can find. So stick around to see what French delights we pick up, and drop me a comment. Let me know what's your favourite French food. This is the world's smallest lift. It fits one person in at a time. So someone's just went up now and it's going to come back down for us. So that's us. We're just having a walk up this street now that's on the main street from the hotel, and there's just so much stuff going on. So what we're going to do is we'll try and find something that we can get our teeth stuck into, bring it back to the room, chill out for the evening, have some food, watch some bits and bobs on Netflix, and get up nice and early in the morning, ready to attack this city before we head back to Beauvais. I'll tell you what we could do is as well, we could find a nice French beer, just a nice cold beer, just to settle us for the evening. That's what I'm feeling like. A nice kebab. It's a bit of a theme on this channel. We got a kebab in Brussels, we got a kebab in America, we got a kebab in Iraq. If you haven't seen them videos, go and check them out, and if you like them, give us a subscribe, show your boy some support. But yeah, we're on the hunt now for a kebabi and a beer. Some would say that's the perfect combination. So we found a place called Kebab Beauvais. It's got a 3.5 rating by 80 people. It's 2 minutes walk. We'll give it a try. Can't be worse than some of the stuff back in the UK. Just on its own, no chips.
No sir.
No chips.
Okay. Need to go.
To go.
1, 2.
Just one, please.
Salsa picante, no?
Second.
Salsa picante.
Salsa, please. looks like it's on some type of a baton. It's a bit different, isn't it? So we'll check that out. We'll get it back to the room and we'll do an in-depth review. So stick around. Hey, see, friendly. Everywhere we go, we make friends. Have a nice day. Over. Hey, that's it. Let's just head back to the room now. Tuck into this. I wonder if we walk down here, we're gonna get to where we want to be faster. Yeah, we'll take it down. But we've got our kebab, we've got our Fanta. So we'll get back now and we'll tuck into it. I don't know if I'm going the right way here, but we'll just cut our way down here and see what's what. But I just love it when we're in these different countries and you've just got all these period buildings. The architecture's just, I mean, I'm not saying there isn't amazing architecture in the UK. It's just a different vibe, isn't it? And it's good to get away. It's healthy for the soul, as I say. But yeah, this smells good. He asked me, do I want salsa on it? I said, yeah. So we'll see how that goes down, but I'm partial to a little bit of salsa. We should have cut down this alleyway before we went all around the world. This is going to take us right outside the hotel, I think, so that's a bonus. So I'll get in and I'll flick to me good camera and we'll do a little review on this kebab and then we'll conclude for the day and then we'll start winding down, start looking at relaxing for the evening, ready for a busy day tomorrow. So yeah, stick around, see you in a minute. And that's us back in the room. We've got our kebab, as you've just seen on the video. We've got ourselves a nice doner kebab with some salad and some salsa. I'm assuming that's just chili sauce. And to wash it down, we've got a nice, freezing cold Fanta. So jobs are good. So let's tuck in and see what it's all about. It's mad. It's on some sort of a bun. Oh, I'm making a right mess of this, aren't I? Oh, look at that. It just looks divine. And then, I asked him for salsa, but it looks like he's put garlic mayonnaise on. That meat is, wow. Wow, that's something different. I mean, I only had one kebab in Iraq and it was absolutely gorgeous. The nicest kebab I've had so far, hands down, was in Brussels, Belgium. It was amazing, but this is nice. It's almost like a gyros chicken. It's definitely not doner. That's good. Oh my God, I'm gonna demolish this. Have you watched the Blackpool episode? I said my go-to swiggage. You're eating your food, you're having a moment, and it's now time. Fanta! Let's see how many swigs it takes to satisfy. That's probably one of life's most pleasurable feelings, isn't it? When you've had some food, you have that fizziness, just light up your life. Well, what an eventful day it has been getting here. We flew through to Beauvais airport, which we are going to be spending a night there tomorrow after we've had an amazing day in Paris. We're going to make our way back to Beauvais, where we're going to stay for the evening. And then the next day, we don't have to fly till late in the evening. So we're going to have a really lovely day out in Beauvais and see what Beauvais got to offer. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Press like, because you know the algorithm loves that like button. And smash that bell notification so you don't miss out on some of the future content coming your way. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.